Good morning, guys. We are in Niceville, Florida today at 607 Samana Way. This is in the Woodlands community. You will have 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, just over 2,100 square feet, and a gorgeous pool once we get to the backyard. So this home sits on 0.4 acres of land, so you'll see the backyard really just gives you such a wonderful space. All right. As soon as we enter here, we do have this gorgeous living space. So give you a sneak peek of those ceilings. Slight cathedral to a vaulted ceiling here, and it does expose up to the 2nd floor. So of course there's your nice fireplace, cozy up to during the winter. Put a TV over it if you'd like. But there is that grand entryway. I think that is absolutely beautiful, and I love how the roof goes all the way up to the 2nd floor here. See that vaulted slant? I think it truly just exaggerates the space, and then same with the windows. I mean, they really accented this space well. It is an 87 build, and I personally like that style just because you get these unique features that really maximize your space. So we will show you guys upstairs momentarily, but let's go ahead and start with our downstairs area. So through the living space, we do come into the kitchen here. And I don't know if you guys can see this well on camera, but the tiling detail is phenomenal in my opinion. Such an interesting and unique little touch. There's your entryway right there. I think stuff like that is always super fun and really gives the house lots of character. So here we are in your dining space. It does have 2 doors that will lead out into the backyard and pool area. You can put a formal dining set here. You could make it more cozy with a high top or a breakfast table, whatever really fits your needs. And then just right off the dining area, you do have your kitchen. Again, tons of windows throughout this house, a door that will lead to the backyard space as well. There's that tile detail again in the backsplash. Granite countertops, wood cabinets. And then just parallel to the cabinets there, you do have a nice sized pantry. The backsplash is going to continue behind the smooth electric stovetop and oven and your built-in microwave. All gorgeous stainless steel appliances. And then here we are with our refrigerator, so double door fridge. Then you have your pull-out drawer there, still fridge worthy, and then your pull-out freezer. Love it. All right. So just across the way here, this door that you're currently looking at is going to lead into your 2-car garage. We love that. And so the garage does enter straight into the laundry room. I love this feature because you can make this kind of your catch-all room. You do have washer and dryer hookups in here, obviously. And then there we go, we've circled back around. There's our living room. So we're gonna turn this way and get to our primary suite and a half bath. So here is our half bath. You've got a very nice, very detailed half bath here. I think the touches are so unique and fun, but you do have a single vanity, granite countertops, a barrel-esque wooden sink. I think this is just so neat. I love the books. I love everything about that. And then continuing on, we are going to shift in our tile style. So you can see this is more of a wood look tile in here, and this is actually going to be your primary. So you do have a 1st floor primary. I would say you could definitely make one of the bedrooms upstairs a primary bedroom as well, but I will totally let you guys be the judge of that. So here's the bedroom. As you can see, we'll eventually get to the bathroom, which is right across the way. But I did want to show you guys this closet. The door may be deceiving, but you have such phenomenal space in this primary closet. I mean, check this out. So you get both wooden hangers, wire shelving, and wooden shelving. So it's just a mise en place of everything. We love it. So plenty of storage down here in this 1st floor primary. And then to get into the bathroom, so we do have a double vanity situation here. I think it's very chic and classic. These are gonna be quartz countertops, plenty of under sink storage with the drawers in the center, split mirrors, but still you get your independent vanity lighting. And then again, the tile detail. I know that's not for some people, but I think it's such a unique touch. It changes from, you know, the typical gray tones that we're seeing a lot recently. Here is going to be a linen closet. It's got some pretty good depth to it, so you can absolutely store cleaning supplies, towels, toiletries, anything that you need in there. And then here we have your standalone shower, the detachable nozzle, decently sized shower, honestly. Here we go. And just parallel to the shower, how could we forget? You do have a water closet slash bathtub in here. So the tile that you saw previously by your vanity is going to extend in here. Frosted window for privacy, of course. And a gorgeous garden tub, extra large, perfect for soaking. And then your commode is going to be in there as well. So one more pan of this room, and then I will take you guys upstairs. So upstairs is, of course, going to house the remaining 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. So let's go ahead and get you guys up there, and then we'll save the best for last and take it out to the pool. As we move upstairs, you are going to get into carpeted surfaces. So as you can see, the stairs were carpeted, and as we walk up to this landing, this is such a wonderful flex space. You could make this an office, a playroom. If you have younger kids in your family or younger kids of your own, you can make this a lounge space with another TV up here. And again, I just love the open concept, so you can still interact with people down below on the first level. I think that's fantastic. One more look here. And you do look over the pool through that large window. All right, so just to the left of the stairs, we're going to continue down. And our first left is going to be a bedroom. So this is what I would say could technically be an upstairs primary if you are just really stuck on wanting to be upstairs, because you do have it all. You've got 2 nice windows. Those will actually look out to the front yard if you were to look through them. You have a extra large closet here, wood shelving. You could absolutely build this out to be something wonderful. Now, this is a single vanity in here, but you do still have your tub shower duo and commode. And then across the way, you do actually have a second closet. So whether, 2 people are here, or hey, I'm not judging if it's one person that needs 2 closets, I totally don't blame you. I would say this room could potentially be turned into an upstairs primary if you'd like it, but in all honesty, the room downstairs is just perfectly suited for that. So, but at least you have your options to pick. Just across the hallway here, we have our 3rd out of the 4 bedrooms. So again, double window that's going to look down to the pool. And then you have these wooden accordion doors that open up into the closet. The closet here is just going to be wire shelving, but it's easily adaptable if you wanted to put wood in there. A little bit of extra shelving up above, and still staying theme to the carpeted floors. All right, here is our final bathroom. It is a single vanity, but you do have extra space, as you can see from side to side. That door there is going to be more storage, so you do have a built-in linen closet there. That is wire shelving as well. This bathroom is going to be tiled, of course, so we do break from the carpet in the bathroom, don't you worry. And then here again, tub shower duo with the detachable nozzle, and then the commode as well. Alrighty. And finally, upstairs we have our fourth and final bedroom. So again, double window looking out to the backyard. Tons of space back there. And you can kind of get a sneak peek of the shed as well. So we'll cover that momentarily. And then this one is going to have a pretty kitted out closet in the sense of it's a large walk-in closet here. So you do only have this one wire shelving all the way around, but again, extremely applicable to wood built-ins if you'd like that, or you can add on to the wire shelving that's already in there. Okay, so that is currently a wrap for our upstairs tour. We're gonna go ahead and take it back downstairs, and we're going to go through to the backyard. All right. Let's take you guys outside. Okay, here we are. So just a couple features that you guys can probably see right off the bat. You do have a complete privacy fence all the way around the backyard here. It is going to be gate entry on each side, so you do get gate entry on both sides there. You've got this gorgeous pergola here, absolutely suitable for outdoor seating and entertaining. You could put a grill under here, a couch, pretty much anything you desire. And then here, I'm honestly gonna say that you could put a little fire pit here. There's enough space back here to actually do whatever you'd like. And of course, the pool. You're gonna enjoy this during our hot Florida summers. And then you can see, guys, how far back this backyard goes. So if you are a family or a single person or just a couple and you've got dogs or other animals, there is plenty of space back here for them to roam and play. Same with children, grandchildren, cousins, doesn't matter. This absolutely is so suited for a single individual or someone as large as a multi-person family. So I think that this could definitely be enjoyable by all. And you don't feel like you're in one of those cookie cutter houses that are super close to one another with little to no space. So back here we do have the shed. Extremely nice shed, honestly. Does have screened in windows and a nice little pave underneath. And one last viewpoint. Again, we are in Niceville, Florida today. This is 607 Samana Way in the Woodlands community. And we would absolutely love for you guys to come check this one out. This house is gorgeous. It's very unique features. So this is definitely one you guys do not want to miss out on.